And today we're going to take a look at our oysters on the bayou. That's right, we have a marine science oyster gardening program. That is one of our field trips that we're offering for the 2025-2026 school year. We do school-wide field trips, and today we're going to shake our oysters up. So I'm going to flip this around. I'm wearing gloves. It might be a little rocky, but we're going to give it a go. Here we go. Okay, so I'm using one hand, so this is going to be interesting, and we definitely don't want to drop the phone today. And of course it's just me, but we want to shake up our oyster, so I'm gonna let go of that for just a minute. And okay, so I'm lifting up my oysters, and so that's what we're talking about right here. This is a first glimpse of our oysters. I'm going to lift them up now onto the dock and show you these oysters. And then here we go. And there they are. Here's our oysters. And they look like they need to be shaken a little. So I'm going to go ahead, kind of like washing clothes, manually, just shaking the dirt out of the cages. But spat oysters look like flat barnacles. So if you look closely, you might see some of those, what I call flat barnacles. And those are our spat oysters. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this back in now. So give me a moment. Watch out for any gators.